Maging akin ka lamang.
Isang akda mula sa panulat ni Miss Honey Hearts.
Ang ika-25 kabanata.
Chance, will you take Natasha to be your wedded wife, to share your life with her, to love, support, and comfort her, whatever the future may bring?
Tiningnan ako ni Chance at magiliw ng nginitian.
I will. I call upon these persons here present to witness that I, Chance Scottville, do take thee, Natasha Winfer, to be my lawful wedded wife.
Natasha, will you take Chance to be your wedded husband, to share your life with him, to love, support, and comfort him whatever the future may bring?
I will not. But of course I didn't voice that out. Instead, I smiled sweetly at the judge as if I am so happy with everything today. I will. I call upon these persons here present to witness that I, Natasha Winfer, do take thee, Chance Scottville, to be my lawful wedded husband. There were 2 rings to be placed on cushion.
It is an ancient tradition for a bride and groom to exchange rings. This giving and receiving of rings symbolize the continuity of their relationship and the sharing of their lives together. A wedding ring is an unbroken circle, which symbolizes an unending and everlasting love. And we would ask you to wear your wedding rings as an outward sign of lifelong vows and promises that you have both made to each other today.
Rings that symbolize love? Come on, another traditional shit. Chance takes the ring for me and places it on my finger.
I give you this ring as a symbol of our marriage and as a token of my love, trust, and commitment. I promise to care for you above all others, to give you my love, friendship, and support, and to respect and cherish you throughout our lives together.
Your love, trust, commitment, care, respect, friendship, and support? Ha! Lahat ng yun sinira mong lahat. Wala pa man tayo dito. I took his ring and placed it on his finger. I give you this ring as a symbol of our marriage and as a token of my love. I promise that I will respect you as an individual, support you through difficult times, rejoice with you through happy times, be loyal always, and above all, love you as my husband and friend. Kahit papaano'y magaling rin naman akong magpanggap, magpaka-plastic, at sumabay sa drama ng lahat.
Chance and Natasha, you have both made the declarations prescribed by law and have made a solemn and binding contract with each other in the presence of the witnesses here assembled. It therefore gives me the greatest honor and privilege to announce that you are now husband and wife together. You may now kiss.
Humarap sa akin si Chance. I didn't bother to turn around to look at him, letting him and everyone know that even I am just going with the flow and not speaking for myself. I feel very disgusted with this kind of their shits. Gayon pa may marahang dumampi ang labi ni Chance sa aking pisngi. I didn't mind it. Pagkatapos ng lahat, wala naman na akong pakialam pa. Nagpalakpakan ng lahat. Pagkatapos ay pumirma kaming dalawa ng aming wedding contract.
Congratulations to both of you on your marriage. May I wish you both a wonderful day today, a very long and happy marriage, and all the very best for your future lives together. Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Scottville.
Sa isang magara at high-class ginanap ang reception na exclusive lang din para sa pamilyang Scottville at Winfor. Pagkatapos kumain, inimbita na kami ng photographers for photo shoots. The happiness of every click in the camera is just one-sided dahil si Chance lang ang kakikitaan ng saya sa magiliw ng ngiti. Habang ako, hindi man lamang magawang makatingin ng diretsyo sa camera o sa kanya. Wala akong gana. Talagang wala akong gana sa kadramahang ito. Photo shoots for wedding remembrances? Oh, come on! Para lang yon sa mga taong tunay na masaya sa kasal nila at nagmamahalan. Natapos din sa wakas ang kalokohan ng lahat at inihatid na kami sa bahay na tutuluyan namin ni Chance. It's a present from his parents. Mas maganda daw yung mamumuhay kami ng sarilinan namin dahil mag-asawa na kami. Pagkapasok sa gate at paghinto ng sasakyan sa tapat ng bahay, diretso akong bumaba at tuloy-tuloy nang pumasok sa etrada. Naramdaman ko naman ang pagsunod ni Chance sa likuran ko kaya napairap ako sa ere at hinarap siya. Come on! Wala na ang mga magulang natin kaya tapos na rin ang palabas. Hindi na natin kailangang magplastikan at magpanggap. Malamig kong untag. Nabigla naman siya sa tono ng pananalita ko.
Natasha,
Where's my room? Magpapahinga na ako't pagod ako. Hindi siya nakapagsalita. Nakatitig lamang sa akin. Oh, I get it. Pagak at sarkastiko akong natawa sa alam kong nilalaman ng pag-iisip niya. What? You're thinking I'll be sleeping in the same room and in the same bed with you? Ha! Hindi ka rin naman ilusyonado para isipin yon. Well, pumuti na ang mga mata ng uwak, hinding-hindi ako tatabi sa'yo at matutulog sa iisang kwartong kasama ka. Now I can see pain through his eyes because of my sharp stabbing words. Oh? Baka rin iniisip mong makikipagtalik ako sa'yo bilang honeymoon natin sa first night ng kasal natin. Lumapit ako sa kanya at namumuhing tiningnan siya mula ulo hanggang paa. Dream on! I'll never sleep with you in this lifetime at hindi mo mapipilit sa akin na asawa mo na ako para makuha ang gusto mo. Anyway, nakuha mo man akong itali sa'yo sa pamamagitan ng kasal, hinding-hindi mo naman magagawang maitali ang puso ko.
you regret marrying me?
Mahina at masakit niyang tanong. Yes, and I'll still regret this for the rest of my life. Impiyeno para sa akin ang kasalang naganap ngayong araw. Para akong mag-aapoy sa galit. Hindi na siya nakasagot. He's just staring at me with those sad and pained pair of eyes. Umismid ako. Minsan na akong naloko ng sinungaling na mga matang yan at ang resulta, nasira lamang ang buhay ko. Kaya hinding-hindi ko na ulit magagawang pagkatiwalaan pa ang pares ng mga matang yan. Pupunta na ako sa kwarto ko, kailangan ko nang magpahinga. Dumiretso ako sa isa sa mga kwartong nakahilera dito sa unang palapag ng bahay at nang makapasok ay napagtanto kong guest rooms ang mga narito. Lumabas ako at nakitang naroon at mukhang tulala pa rin sa kinatatayuan niya si Chance. Ayokong matulog sa guest room. Gusto ko doon sa master's bedroom and whether you like it or not, ako ang magmamay-ari ng kwartong yon. Ikaw ang bahalang maghanap ng gagawin mong sarili mong kwarto dito sa baba. Suit yourself! Yun lang, at binangga ko siya sa balikat bago nilagpasan.
Wilted dreams and highway signs, chasing shadows undefined, roots in soil, dry as bone, wandering thoughts all alone. Sunflower fields calling on the breeze, fractured hopes, mountains of unease, eyes on horizon, no return, living fire, watch it burn. Sunflower soul lost in the rain, seeking solace in the pain, bright meadows in twilight's glow, searching for a place unknown.
Itutuloy. Abangan ang susunod na kabanata.